Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Katie and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be sharing the first project of 2024. Started with the first home project of 2024. Here's the hobby, of course, taking out Christmas lights still. So we're removing all the Christmas decor from the backyard, and he was doing that very early in the morning. He also went ahead and trimmed the grass, and I got the cutest little helper. He gave me a little flower, my baby boy Jay, doing his thing, learning from his daddy. I want to give special thanks to Patio Well for sponsoring part of today's video. If you're not familiar with them, they have a great selection of outdoor storage solutions for your home. So check them out. The link will be in the description box. So I'm super excited for this one, you guys, because we needed some storage out here. 6x4 plastic shed, and I am so happy. First of all, I love the color. It's a gray and white, so it matches our home really well. And I love that everything came really nice, well packed with all the labels, so installation was a breeze. You guys know that every project in my home, we make it a family project. So my stepdad was helping, also my brother-in-law was helping to build a platform. We didn't want to put cement, so I have a bunch of these bricks out here from the patio left over, so we decided to create a platform with the pavers, and it worked out perfect for this project. And you guys know I love making everything pretty, so of course I have to make the shed area nice because the grass here was awful. So I went to Ross and I came across this false grass or turf, how you guys call it, and then we got to work. The only bad thing was that I picked up the grass at two different Ross, and by the time we got home it was two different colors, but it's okay, it worked out, and it's just a clean area here now, and I love how it looks. And here it is, you guys. This is the 6x4 plastic shed from Patio Well. I love that it's a compact size. It's perfect for those of you who want to organize your backyard but don't want to take too much space. This is the perfect unit, and I love that it fits all of our tools really well, and I still have so much space. Another space that I needed to tackle was my home office. I know, don't even comment, you guys, on it. It became the dumping station in my home because obviously I'm on maternity leave, but I wasn't using it. But guess what? It's time to go back to work next month, and it was time for me to get organized. So the first thing I did was declutter the office. You guys, this space, just by looking at the video, I was like, oh my goodness, how my OCD was able to deal with it. But honestly, I was just dumping things in there, and I was just closing the door and not using the space. So of course, everything got to this point, but we're gonna fix it. So as part of my little office refresh, I decided to get a new chair. First of all, because after having the baby, my back hurts even more now. So I got one of those chairs that is supposed to help you with your back support and yada yada. So hopefully it works. I got this one from Amazon, and honestly, it's really pretty. So here I am just putting it together because the hubby was too tired to help me. So I was like, okay, this should be easy, and it was easy. Okay, you guys, if you're in the market for a new office chair, totally recommend this one. The next day, it was time for me to finish organizing and decorating a little bit of my office. So I put a new rug because why not? We need a new rug in here. I got that one at Ross for like $55. And this photo, I got it for my baby shower decor. And honestly, I love this photo so much. I decided to put it on this wall right here. 2024, I wanted to start something new and fresh, so I refreshed the way my office was, like with my computer on the other side. I moved it to the desk, and I think I like this setup so much better. I just need to get inspired, you guys, to create more content for you, so I need to be comfortable, and I wanted the space to be very clean and minimal clutter, minimal decor, just fresh when I come in here, so I could, you know, my brain could think happy thoughts and make things happen. For the bookshelves, I decided to keep things very simple. I added some new items and also some old items that I had before. I just moved things around to refresh the space. And for the cabinet behind my desk, I did leave my printer there because that's functioning for me. So now I added this arrangement right here, and also this little tray with some water and snacks, because of course I'm going to be spending a lot of time. You guys know that I work from home, but also this is the office where I edit all my videos, so water comes in handy with a little snack as well. I thought that was so perfect. And in here I'm putting my new shirt, which I am loving, by the way. And this is how the office looks right now. I am so happy with the small little changes, and honestly, decluttering and cleaning your space is the way to go, you guys. I want to inspire you. If you have been neglecting any space in your home, get up right now and get it clean, declutter, and claim your space back. Because I am so happy I'm sitting now in a clean office. Trust me. That was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.